Imagine effortlessly publishing your latest video creations to Instagram Reels without ever touching your phone or computer again. Today, we're going to unlock the power of automation to get your videos from Google Drive straight to your Instagram Reels, saving you precious time and keeping your content calendar consistent. The first step is to organize your content. Make sure your video files are in a specific folder within your Google Drive. Let's call this folder Instagram Reels Ready. This organization is key for our automation to work seamlessly. Now head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. We'll start with the trigger for the Trigger app. Select Google Drive. For the trigger event, choose New File in Folder. This tells Zapier to watch for any new files you add to our designated Instagram Reels Ready folder. Next, connect your Google Drive account if you haven't already, and then select the exact Instagram Reels Ready folder you created earlier. This is where Zapier will be looking for your new videos. With our trigger set, let's move to the action for the Action app. We'll select Instagram for Business. For the action event, choose Create Reel. This is how Zapier will post your video to Instagram. Connect your Instagram for Business account to Zapier now. The crucial part, you'll map the fields in the video field. Select the data that represents the file from your Google Drive trigger. This is usually a file URL or a direct link to the video. You can also customize your reel. By adding a caption, you can type this directly into Zapier, or even pull in details like the file name from your Google Drive to automatically populate your caption. Before you activate your Zap, it's essential to test it. Zapier will look for a recent file in your Google Drive folder and attempt to create a reel. Review the test results to ensure everything is connected correctly. Once your test is successful, hit that Turn on Zap button. Now, any new video you upload to your Instagram Reels Ready folder in Google Drive will automatically be published as an Instagram Reel. And that's it. You've just automated your Instagram Reels workflow, freeing you up to focus on creating more amazing content. Happy posting!